All experts, please report to room A9.
Hello guys, Exter here, and welcome to the crypto market. The aim of this module is quite a long one, is we're going to figure out how much crypto we're going to invest in each of these four things. So, we currently have the current worths, Q4. When we click on these, we get changes in value. We're going to calculate, go backwards to find out what the starting value is, to get peak and slump values, then find a volatile score, and then find out how to invest it. So, when we calculate peak and slump values, we're only going to focus on the calculations we have, which are this value, and the value we get from doing these three calculations. We're going to completely ignore this top one. But it will be required for the second half of it. So, let's first note down these numbers. Okay. And now let's start with dy. We're going to work from bottom to top here to get the values, and we're going to do the opposite of what it says to get what the value was before this change happened. So, I'm going to do this on my calculator to make it a bit quicker for me, but the calculations are pretty simple, so I'm going to start off with doing it for this first one. This stuff will make sense later. I'm going to keep it here for now. So we've got 6383, and we're going to take away 1821.
Emergency cleared. All personnel, please return to your stations.
We get 4562. Probably should have turned the pacing events off. Then we're going to subtract 4406. So we're going to get 156. Then we're going to add back on 179. So we're going to get 225. And then we're going to add back on 2720, 7270 even, to get the initial value of this. We're now going to do this for the rest of them. So, 2348 plus this one plus this one minus this one and then minus plus this one. This is going to be what we're going to do for all four of these. So 2906 minus this one. Sorry if you can hear stuff outside. Plus this one. Five, 2, 3, 2. Minus this one. And then plus this one. And finally, I'm going to add this one. We're going to minus this one. We're going to minus 82. And we're going to add this one. So, now ignoring this end value, we're going to find the top and bottom values for both of these, for all of these. So the top value, not including the last one, for this one is this, and the lowest is this. So the top one, the highest value was 6383, and then 156 was the lowest value. So we're going to do this for the rest of them. The highest is 9397, and the lowest it went was 2348. Lowest for this one, the highest for this one even, not including the last one, remember, so 5232. And then the lowest, which was 1174. Then the highest of this one, the last one, was 9785. And the lowest it went was 4744. We're now going to rank these by the highest peak values and the highest slump values get the highest points and then decreasing in size. So the highest peak value was actually this one. So starting at 0 for all of them, we're going to have 12 points for this one, as you can see here, and it's starting 3 points for each one, the subsequent one. So this one is going to get 9 because 12 minus 3 is 9. Then this one's going to get 6 and this one's going to get 3. Then doing the same thing for this one. This one it has the highest slump value as well, so this one's going to go up to 24. Then we have this one. It's not always in the same order, of course. So 9 plus 9 is 18. And then it's this one, so we're going to get 9 here and 9 here as well, because it went 6, 3 and 6, 3 like so. We're now going to we're going to calculate their volatile score by now ignoring the end value here and going down here and across here. You could have so you go across this way, but the way I did it here is how I did it basically. We're going to take each growth, so the numbers here, and divide it by the value of previous to a quarter, aka before the change, keeping positives and negatives. Now I'm going to put this back into the digital calculator. I'm going to do the division on my calculator because I prefer doing it on there. So we're going to take each of these values, I'm going to space them out to make it a bit more obvious. So we're taking the change for the top one, which is negative 7270 over 7605 times 100. Our first percentage change is negative 595. Then we're going to take minus 179 over 325 to 100 is minus 53 even. Then plus 4506 over the value at the time, which is 156, would be a very large number. This would be plus 2824%. And finally, 4562 is going to be on the bottom, remember. So change A1 to 1821 over the value at the time, which was 4562. So this number. So we went this one, then this one, then this one, then this one. Times 100. If you couldn't tell, we are removing decimals for all of these. No matter if you could round them up, you're going to be rounding all of them down, basically. It's sort of ignoring the negative. Just know you're going to be just basically truncating the decimals, basically. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. So, negative 164 over the value of the time, 8,904 times 100 is minus 1%. Then 657 over 8740 times 100 is plus 7%. Minus 3471 over 39397 times 100 with negative 36. And then negative 3578 over 5926 times 100 is negative 60. You can see how much work this module is now. There's probably ways you could optimize it, but I don't know those yet. Negative 5545 over 7319 times 100 is negative 75. 3458 over 41774 times 100 is 194 minus 2819 over 5232 times 100 is negative 53. And finally, plus 493 over 2413 times 100 is plus 20. And finally, negative 4836 over 9580 times 100 is negative 50. To make sure I'm recording, okay. Plus 82 over 4744 times 100 is plus 1. 4959 over 4826 times 100 is going to be 102. And finally, negative 3134 over 9785 over 3785 yeah, times 100 is minus 32. We're now going to find the largest difference between these. So for this one, it's going to be the 2824 minus 95, which becomes 2919. Big change here is 7 and negative 60, 67. This one we have 194 and negative 75. And then 102 minus 50, or 52. We're now going to rank these from highest to lowest, but the highest one actually gets the lower value this time. So this one's only get 3 points. 4 points even. So this one's going to get an additional 4 points. So 13. Then we have this one. So this one's going to get an extra 8 points. 9 plus 8 is 17. Then we have this one. This will get an additional 12 points. Bring it up to 36. And this one's going to get 16 points. Bring it up to 34. So these are our final numbers. We're going to sub them in here. 34, 17, and 36. We'll multiply them by their final values. And we're now going to be editing the x value from 20 to 35, where x is in this expression, to make the a, b, c and d here. We want to get the green number at the bottom, doing this calculation, which is the amount we're going to put in and its current value. So hopefully, fingers crossed I've done this correctly. If we increase this value, there we go. X is 21, we get the bottom number. So we can now remove the plus signs here and these numbers. We find out we want to invest 2737. So we press the invest button to go to the submission screen. We're going to type in 2, 7, 3, 7. Invest. Okay, so module. So that's how the crypto market works. It's a very long module, but you know you got it right because you'll get the bottom number, basically. So hopefully you understand how crypto market works now, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. See you later.